Right, folks, we're going to be testing the streak of a couple different mineral samples. Remember that the streak of a mineral is the color that it appears when it's ground into a fine powder. That color might be the same as the mineral sample, or the color of a mineral streak might be different than the mineral sample. But regardless, a mineral's streak color stays the same no matter what the color of the mineral sample is. So it can be very useful in helping us to identify a particular mineral. Now, in order to test a mineral streak, we're going to need a couple different streak plates. In your mineral testing kit, you've got both a white one and a black one, or a dark colored one. The dark colored one is useful for confirming that a mineral has a light colored or white streak, because that can be very difficult to see on the lighter colored streak plates. So let's get started. We're just going to grab a mineral sample and we're going to rub it on the streak plate and see what we see. So I rubbed this mineral on the streak plate and it clearly left a mark. So I would describe the color of that as being black or dark brown. Very different from the color of this mineral sample, which is a gold or a brassy color. Let's test a different mineral. I'm going to do this one. So again, just going to pick up the mineral sample and rub it on the streak plate. Now, initially, I don't really see anything on the light colored streak plate, so I'm going to test this same mineral on the dark plate to confirm that this mineral left a white streak on the white streak plate. And there we go. When I rub this on the dark streak plate, now we can clearly see a white or a pale colored streak. So I would describe the color of this mineral's streak as either white or colorless. And there we go. That's how you test the streak of a mineral sample.